Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the Mod Manager tool. Head over to the official Diablo 4 modding community website and grab the latest version of the Mod Manager. This tool handles everything for you, so don't skip this part. Make sure your system meets the requirements before downloading. Step 2. Once you've installed the Mod Manager, you need to launch it and configure your game directory. Point it to where your Diablo 4 files are located. Usually that's in your program files under Blizzard. The Mod Manager will automatically detect your installation if everything's set up right. Step 3. Now it's time to find and download mods you actually want. Visit reputable modding sites like Nexus Mods or the official mod repository. Read the descriptions carefully because some mods conflict with each other. Always check the comments section to see what other players are saying about stability. Step 4. Install your chosen mods through the Mod Manager interface. Most managers have a one-click install button that does the heavy lifting for you. Make sure to install them in the correct load order because this matters for how they work together. Step 5. Finally, launch Diablo 4 from the Mod Manager and test your setup. Start a new game, or hop into an existing save to see if everything works smoothly. If you run into crashes, disable mods one by one to find the culprit. Enjoy your customized Diablo 4 experience.